A day in my life as a forensic science student at UNC 3R Vacant Edition. Hey guys, today 8 to 8 ang schedule namin, so it's gonna be a long day. And I'm here with Kyla and we'll be taking our first subject, which is crime scene investigation. Nung una, wala talaga kami mag-get sa activity pero natapos naman namin.
Hi! Hi, baby boy!
We're going down guys kasi may activity daw kami.
Dito, magpo-form na kami to prepare for our next activity where we would act as a sketcher and measure sa isang crime scene.
Diba?
Wow! Parang init!
Kaya kitang bilhin.
Thank you, Ivy!
Sige, nabili na kayo.
We took a break muna habang we're waiting for a turn kasi by fair yung activity and medyo matagal siya.
What's the activity? Next ay quiz naman.
Yes!
Kai. Sinyo.
Sige, Ter. Kukulit ko yan.
Baby, get back!
Tama.
Abisaya.